Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Acer's 34-inch UWQHD OLED display. So friend, Acer announced the release of the Acer X34Vbmiiphuzx, a 34-inch curved gaming monitor, and the product price at approximately $1,079 features an OLED panel, and this display offers a resolution of UWQHD and support approximately 1.07 billion colors, and it boasts a high refresh rate of 175 Hz and a rapid response time of 0.1 millisecond, and the monitor integrates AMD FreeSync Premium technology, enhancing gaming experience by providing smoother, tear-free and stutter-free imagery, and it is VESA DisplayHDR 400 True Black certified, ensuring deep black colors and high contrast for superior image quality. It also covers 99% of the DCI-P3 color gamut and comes with a color accuracy indicated by a delta E value of less than 2, and it is suitable for tasks requiring precise color representation. Additional features include a curvature of 1800R for impressive viewing, KVM switch function to toggle display, keyboard and mouse input between two PCs, and a USB power delivery capability of up to 65 watt. And friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.